In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own Korean-style winter portrait using Google Gemini. Well, the good news is, you can make them completely for free. No subscriptions, no paid apps. Just follow along, and by the end of this video, you'll have your own aesthetic winter photo ready to post. Step 1. Choose your prompt. To make this super easy, I've already created a collection of ready-to-use prompts that instantly transform your photo into a Korean winter portrait. You'll find all the prompt links in the description below. There are 3-panel versions, 2-panel versions, solo versions for girls and guys, couple photo versions. Just scroll through, pick the style you like best, and copy the entire prompt. Step 2. Generate your Korean-style winter portrait. Now, let's create the picture. Open the Google Gemini website. Sign in with your Google account if needed. Once you're inside, look for the feature called Create Image with Nano Banana. This is what we'll use to generate the winter portrait. Upload your photo. Choose a clear picture for the best result. Paste the prompt you copied earlier into the text box. Hit send and wait a few seconds while Gemini processes everything. And that's it. Gemini will instantly generate a clean, aesthetic, Korean-style winter portrait of your photo. The results are super high quality, super smooth, and perfect for social media. Step 3. Download your picture. Once you're happy with the result, simply download the image straight to your gallery. Feel free to try the other prompt versions too. There are so many styles available, and each one gives a completely different vibe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials updates. Thanks for watching.